Hello and peace be upon you. Doctor, I saw a physician because I snore very heavily while I sleep. The doctor told me we need to do a sleep study. What is a sleep study? What will happen to me there? And what will I gain from it? A sleep lab is a room in the hospital where you sleep for one night. Devices are connected to you to measure the snoring itself. We record the sound of the snoring, blood oxygen concentration, heart activity with an ECG, muscle activity, eye movement, and even brain activity with an EEG. This provides us with information to understand the problem occurring during sleep, like the severity level of the snoring. We can count the number of breathing interruptions during sleep and see if it affects blood oxygen levels. We see if it affects the heart or brain activity. This allows us to determine its severity. We also learn whether the problem is an obstruction in the airway itself. This often requires a surgical solution to remove the obstruction that's blocking the airway during sleep, or the problem could be coming from the brain due to a lack of signals sent to the respiratory muscles during sleep, which are what allow us to breathe properly while we're asleep. Of course, in this case, the patient won't benefit from any surgical intervention at all because there's no airway obstruction. The problem lies with the brain signals, or it could be a combination of the two, a mix of both problems. Once we identify the cause, we can decide whether or not to intervene. We determine if the snoring is affecting the patient to a degree that requires immediate intervention. We can see if there's an actual underlying problem or if it's just a sound that isn't affecting the body or its functions. So it's very important and very useful. It might be a bit expensive and not available everywhere, but when the doctor requests it and we're able to do it, we gain a great deal of valuable information from it. This information affects our decision on whether or not to proceed with surgery, and it helps shape the treatment plan. And I wish you all the best of health. If you enjoy our videos, please don't forget to give them a like and subscribe to the channel. And I wish you all the best of health.